Girl, it must be you again. You have gone straight to my head. Take the pills and go to bed, but I'm still hooked on it. Well, you are sacred in a way. I don't know God, but still have faith that He will manifest some way when I am next to you. I asked your father for your hand, but it didn't matter what he said. The thought of you in a white dress, I don't think I can shake it. We'll get a little place upstate, stay till the kids all graduate, and talk of moving every day, but who are we kidding? We made all our memories here, felt our joys and shed our tears. And when the Holy Ghost appears, hope He sends me back a few more years. I'll be buried next to you, the world will keep on turning to. But if I am next to you, I do not care. I do not care. I will volunteer myself to you, and then no one can say that there was more I could do. And when you lay me in the pouring rain, I will give you my heart and then do it again. Yeah. Restaurant, your head held low with your hands on top, and I've always been a sucker for a brand new project. Said I'm a lover, not a fighter, even on the days you treat me like a vampire. You take what you want and you leave what you don't. I will volunteer myself to you, and then no one can say visions I have always have your face in them, and tell me why the lines I draw in the sand always disappear. I will volunteer myself to you, and then no one can say that there was more I could do. And when you lie back in the pouring rain, I will give you my heart and then do it again. And can you tell me why do the visions I have always have your face in them, and tell me why the lines I draw in the sand always disappear. Tell me why do the visions I have always have your face in them, and tell me why the lines I draw in the sand always disappear. I will volunteer myself to you, and then no one can say that there was more I could do. And when you lie there in the pouring rain, I will give you my heart and then do it again.